wanted me to sign it. So here I am. I was gonna get a white Sharpie and I was gonna write on the shirt, but I went to Walmart to look for a white Sharpie and Walmart did not have no white Sharpies at all. So I just decided to go with this. It's a ball pen point pen. I'm actually rocking a Chuuuki shirt right now. Clay. This is actually on the website. There's actually still a few left if you guys want to go ahead and check them out. They are only $10. This is actually my brand, guys. Clay. Clay, I'm gonna give you guys a quick story about it. Clay is actually a stuffed monkey that I had as a child, and that is basically the reason behind Clay. I named him Clay. So if you guys look at it closely, it kind of reminds you of monkey, like monkey, but I changed it up when I was little and I decided to name him Clay. So yeah, that's how it came about. Is my stuffed monkey as a child, and I love Clay. He is my best friend. Boing, and then I'm gonna put a little heart. By the way, guys, I want to say thank you to everyone who purchased something on the website, and I appreciate everyone who supported. And if you guys didn't buy anything on the website, it's okay. I appreciate you still watching my videos, commenting. That is all support to me, and I love you. It looks nice, huh? Look at it closely. Now back to packaging, back to work. Pig. I cannot wait to send this out to you guys. I'm so excited. Look what I made. It's a little merry and bright Merry Christmas Chuuuki squad. And then I wrote a little letter. Let's get it. Let's get it. I'm gonna be able to fix Toby now. R.I.P. Toby. Look at this. Boom. Woohoo. Made by me, guys. And I'm so blessed to have a family like you guys and who help make my dreams come true. So thank you guys a ton. He's actually been a supporter for a longest time ever. Since I had my first drop, he was actually one of the first people to buy one. OG Chuuuki member, guys. So he's looking over the merch. So he actually got this one. He got this one right here. The Chuuuki gang black tee. And then a Pika. And then looking over the other shirts. I'm actually wearing the Turbo the Curbo one right now.
This is the one I like the most though.
Ooh, that's the one I'm wearing. Let's go. There we go. On top of the freaking table. Noise. Say a word, you're ignoring them. No, say something about the iced tea. I'm just kidding. Oh. It's actually not iced tea, it's actually Henny.
Really?
Nah, I'm just kidding. There's poison in there. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright, I'm gonna let you go.
Don't you guys have another sticker?
Yeah, we do actually. We have the Chuuuki, like the Chuuuki gang one, and then there's also the Nelson one. You know?
Yeah, I seen that
one. Which one do you like? The Nelson one or the Chuuuki gang one?
The other one, the little Barbie one.
Oh yeah, the Chuuuki one. Okay, I'll bring it out right now. Make it some potatoes. Potato. Haters are potatoes. Whoa, this is so cool. I love it. Woo! Hello. This is so freaking nice. I actually want a Lambo. Oh my gosh, compared to Nelson. Poor Nelson. Bobby.
This is another problem that was already happening that I didn't even know existed until I took off the valve cover. And
so he's the one with the Banana Evo. Banana Evo is no longer Banana Evo. It's now a Vape Evo. Is it working right now though?
no, it's broken. I broke fourth gear, I broke a rocker, I broke one of my cams.
No way. Yeah. That's crazy. How does it feel?
How does it feel?
Yeah.
Like Batman?
Where have you guys went with this?
I've been all over the place.
You're like, where have I not been?
I haven't slept. I was thinking about sleeping in the car.
Dang, hey, I want to see you guys get in. I'm gonna see you guys get have trouble getting.
Is that a fat joke?
No. No, because we were telling him, but like, because he's tall, so he was, like, you know, since it's so small. Dang. Straight whipping. Hey, I ain't got that on Clay. Let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god. So beautiful. I love it. Okay, Ricky with the Scion. Let's go. I'm gonna go in the front. Damn, I like the color. Oh, got me. Copyright. Ooh. What?
Sexy as fuck.
What do you gotta say?
That shit is fucking sexy.
It is. Tell it.
I'm with it. I don't know what the fuck to say, but that shit is beautiful.
Hey, you better land that treasure.
Nice. Sick. Woohoo.
Hey, for effort. So you're still going for it.
Let's go.
Fucking tall, man. Damn, hey, God bless you guys.
This is a Kylie Jenner's cousin. Just kidding. This shit sounds so cool. Whoa. What are these for? I didn't even notice this.
Traction control, emergency lights, reverse camera, and the windows.
Is there anything else cool like that the car does? God, this is it. This is fucking.
Hey, what do you think feels faster, the Evo or this?
I feel like I like the Evo more. Like,
Yeah.
I like the feeling of the Evo more because I feel like you can actually feel it. Look at my hair. I don't know, like I like the older cars. The experience in the Evo, I feel like it's funner. Like, I feel like this is like really, really smooth.
Yeah, because I know the Evo, I shoot some crazy ass.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Wait, I think you showed us. I don't remember.
I shoot flames the size of the car.
Okay, be honest. Which one do you like driving more?
The Evo.
The Evo.
Oh yeah, by far.
I feel like it's just different. Like the feeling is just different.
It feels like more like a raw power in the Evo.
Yeah, exactly. Look at it closely. Guys, look at this. Is there a name for him? Babe Evo?
One baby Evo.
What is it?
One baby Evo.
One Babe Evo. Ooh, now this is sick. I've never been in a Lambo before.
I took it up with Susa last night.
Uh-huh.
That shit was fun as fuck.
Where'd you go to Canyons?
Yeah, which is fun.
Look, I like to come here with Nelson and just do like donuts over there. That's where I practice how to do them. There's no cars. And see how it's like so straight? It's straight away. Very nice. Very nice.
You want to try to drive it?
Yeah. It's normal?
Like driving like an automatic car.
Oh, okay. This is so sick. Oh my god. How do you open this thing? How do you open it? Oh, okay. Hey, I'm gonna do like those photos where the girls put their nails right here. Look. I'm just kidding. My paws. Look at my paws. Very nice. I'm gonna go ahead and put the GoPro on, guys. Fine. No, I'm just kidding. Fine, I'll put it on. Right, let's go. I'm gonna gun it.
I was like, what is the car? Like, what are you doing? Hey, you got jokes, right? You're funny. All the way to third.
That was fun. Thank you for letting me drive
It
it.
feels weird being passenger. I ain't gonna lie. Open the door. Damn, it's important.
Ooh, that was sick. How did you feel?
I was scared.
Guys, rate my driving skills 1 through 10.
You know what? I'll give you an 8.
Wow.
I'll give you
8 being 10 being the worst, so that's pretty bad. Pretty bad. Damn, that was sick though. By the way, guys, make sure to go follow him on Instagram at OneBapeEvo. He has an Evo and it's freaking sick. He let me drive it one time too, and it was fun as hell. Okay. Monclay merch, let's get it. Have you driven it?
I'm about to.
Whoa, it sounds so nice. Whoa, that sounds beautiful.
Is that fun?
Yeah, it was a little scary though because I've never driven paddle shift. Even though it's so easy, I've never driven paddle shift though, so I was like it was a little bad, but here it comes, here it comes. I love it. Looks like a rocket, like a spaceship.
Like a futuristic shit.
Exactly.
I was like, I'm gonna sleep with this motherfucker.
Shit, I would too. You're saying that the Evo's a lot of problem?
Yeah. Once you start making like over a certain amount of power, like everything's gonna start breaking.
Oh, but so if it was like stock, you wouldn't.
Evos are reliable.
Oh, okay. Just because I was like thinking, people are like, oh, you should get an Evo, but then I heard that they have problems
They're not as
too.
bad as Subis though.
Yeah, Subies
I
are.
already own both.
Which one did you like better?
The Evo.
Well, that's why you still have the Evo, huh? Good job, Kim. That was fun. But nice meeting you too. Let's go! Guys, that was so beautiful. Goodbye, Lambo. It was nice being you. No, that sounds weird. It was nice driving you. It was nice driving you. It was a little crazy because it was actually my first time driving a paddle shift car. Now that I'm back home, I'm gonna be sending out my letters. Well, not letters actually. They are stickers. I'm wearing my Chuuuki shirt today and it is so comfortable, guys. I love it. I'm gonna be wearing my Chuuuki merch all the time now because I couldn't wear it before. Well, I could wear it, but I didn't want to wear it because I wanted it to be a surprise, you know? It's named after my monkey and I love my monkey, but my monkey is gone. So a piece of me is gone too. Emilio ordered a peeker and 2 Chuuuki stickers and a Nelson sticker. Go ahead and get an envelope, which I have my envelope right here. So I like to make it look nice, you know? I don't want to just throw it in there. I care about this. I want you guys to have it neatly, you know? So thank you, Emilio, for ordering. Stay with me. Toby is a freaking piece of shit. Stay with me. Toby doesn't even go on the street. He can't even drive on his 2 own feet. Toby can't even drive on his feet. Toby can't even be a bitch. I did drop it up on. Patreon shout out goes out to Vinny. I'm just kidding, guys. Patreon shout out goes out to Vinny. Thank you so much for being a part of the Patreon squad. And post notification shout out goes out to Ryan. Thank you so much for having your post notifications on and being the first to comment. If you guys want to shout out, you guys know what to do. I'll catch you guys in my next video and stay with me. Peace out.
Chopper right beneath me. 8K with the fucking bean, yeah, 3 beat, smoking on that beat.